Today, I'm here downtown at the Tallahassee Science Festival. Come check it out with me. So what's going on here today?
Well, this is the Tallahassee Science Festival where different organizations and clubs around Tallahassee come and showcase activities for the kids.
And what are you showcasing?
We have tower building with different materials that kids can come and build. Or they can just build any shape that they want, the little kids, you know.
That's so cool. Thank you for letting me interview you.
No problem.
Had such a fun time here so far, and it's really hot, so it's definitely time to take a break. Today, I was all about science in downtown Tallahassee at the Tallahassee Science Festival. And if you would like to find out more about the city's sponsored events, go to talgo.com. And as you know, stay with me, we're all about it. See you next time, bye.